We mapped its chemistry, we tracked its path. We thought we had the interstellar visitor known as 3I/ATLAS figured out. But we were wrong, because in the final days before it vanishes, a new image has emerged, not from a billion-dollar space agency, but from a small observatory in the mountains of Brazil. And for the first time, it shows us something we never thought we'd see. A faint, ethereal tail, angled perfectly to hide from our largest telescopes. This changes everything, and in just a few weeks, this object will slip behind the sun, taking its secrets with it forever. This is our last best look at the enigma called 3I/ATLAS. The rules of the cosmos are written in physics. Comet tails point away from the sun. It's a fundamental law, a constant in the chaotic dance of our solar system. But 3I/ATLAS doesn't play by the rules. This new image reveals a tail tilted at a precise 102-degree angle from the sun. It's an orientation so unconventional, so off-center, that it escaped detection by the most powerful instruments on and off our planet. It was hiding in plain sight, visually out of sync with our deepest astronomical expectations. To the untrained eye, it's just noise, a speck of light. But to those who understand orbital mechanics and solar vectors, this subtle streak is nothing short of a revolution. It's the first visible clue that 3I/ATLAS is not a dormant rock. It's active, it's alive. This discovery didn't come from the pristine halls of NASA or ESA. It came from under the clear, dark skies of Brazil. The telescope responsible is part of SONEAR, the Southern Observatory for Near-Earth Asteroid Research. Its mission isn't glamour, it's vigilance, to see what others miss. And on August 23rd, it saw everything. The man behind the lens is Cristóvão Jacques, a veteran astronomer with a long history of spotting what others can't. Alongside him, analyst Ayrton Martins from the Pleats Dull Astronomy Club. Together, they did what massive agencies could not. They captured the ghostly signature of 3I/ATLAS's awakening tail. And instead of sitting on the data, they shared it immediately with the world through science communicator Schwarza. This wasn't a polished press release. It was raw, authentic discovery, the kind that reminds us that the heart of astronomy still beats in those who look up at the night sky simply because they have to. While the world waited for official word, Brazil had already rewritten the story. Why now? So why did they see it when no one else could? The answer lies in a perfect and fleeting cosmic alignment. Think of it like this. Imagine someone walking directly towards you, holding a flashlight behind their back. From your perspective, the beam is completely hidden. Only when they turn slightly does the light become visible. That's exactly what happened here. We have just passed the solstice. The sun's path across our sky is asymmetrical, and for a brief window, the angle between Earth, 3I/ATLAS, and the sun was just imperfect enough to reveal this hidden tail. The Brazilian team was looking from the right place at the right time with the right tools. They caught that slight turn, that single moment where the universe's geometry conspired to reveal a secret. The tail was always there. We just needed the right perspective to see it. This timing also confirms earlier predictions. Scientists estimated that if 3IE were a comet, it would begin showing activity around August 10th. This image, captured on the 23rd, is a silent but powerful validation of that timeline. the two halves of a mystery. When the Brazilian image hit the internet, the immediate question was, but what about James Webb? Isn't it more powerful? The answer is yes, but it's looking for something entirely different. Weeks ago, the James Webb Space Telescope trained it, infrared gaze on 3I/ATLAS. It didn't see a picture, it saw a fingerprint. Its spectroscopic data revealed a bizarre chemical composition: water ice, silicates, and an astonishing amount of carbon dioxide, so much that it drew comparisons to the atmosphere of Mars. This data suggested a possible planetary origin, a shard of a world long gone. But Webb saw no tail. It couldn't. It wasn't designed to capture that kind of structure. SONEAR's image provides the missing context. It shows behavior, motion. It's not a contradiction to Webb's data. It's the other half of the story. Together, they paint a picture of an object that is not only alien in its composition, but also dynamic in its nature. It's evolving in real time. What is it really? A tail means activity. Activity means heat. And heat means this is no simple asteroid. The evidence now overwhelmingly suggests we are watching an interstellar comet. But here's the paradox. The mystery is far from over. A tail reveals behavior, but it doesn't confirm origin. Could this be a comet from a star system with entirely different physics? Is it a planetary fragment, its internal ices finally warming enough to vent gas into the vacuum? Or is it something else entirely, something we don't even have a category for? This is where we turn to you. The greatest discoveries are made by communities. What do you believe 3I/ATLAS truly is? A comet, a shard of a distant planet? Leave your theories in the comments below. We're watching them as closely as we're watching the data, because this is a puzzle we are solving together. A cosmic farewell. Our window is closing. With every passing hour, 3I/ATLAS moves closer to the sun. Soon it will be lost in the solar glare, vanishing at the height of our star's activity. We will not see it like this again. We may never see it again. We tracked its trajectory. We decoded its chemistry. And in its final days, we captured the first glimpse of its transformation. The universe doesn't owe us answers. It offers moments, brief windows into the infinite. This object, a silent traveler from between the stars, passed through our backyard, gave us just enough data to drive us mad with curiosity, and is now leaving without a conclusion. There is no closure, only the haunting, beautiful reminder that we live in a cosmos filled with wonders we are only beginning to comprehend. This journey is why we look up, and it's a journey we're on together. If this story captivated you, hit the like button. It truly helps the channel. Subscribe to stay with us as we continue to watch the dark, because the next great discovery is always just over the horizon. And if you want to go even deeper, consider becoming a channel member. Your support directly helps keep this cosmic window open. Thanks for watching.